Welcome to the QingPu facility in Shanghai, an ASME-certified plant driving product innovation and industry leadership for Emerson's pressure management solutions. QingPu provides Emerson customers with the convenience of a one-stop solution, where Anderson Greenwood and Crosby pressure relief valves are manufactured, assembled, and tested in the same location. Our QingPu plant is engineered for precision. We produce specialized technologies designed to master the most challenging industrial applications, delivering the safety and reliability our partners depend on.
Our plant is committed to provide a faster response to our customer, include maintenance service, quotation, and customized products to our customer.
Quality is our signature. From raw material inspection to final performance validation, our dedicated quality teams ensure every product meets stringent global and local standards. From design to testing, QingPu brings technical excellence to every step of the process. QingPu hosts accumulators in a steam test dedicated to power applications, ensuring reliability under extreme conditions. Innovation drives our efficiency. By integrating automation and digital workflows, we maximize output while maintaining the uncompromising quality our customers expect. Our advanced production capabilities ensure timely delivery and consistency for our customers' needs.
Our key technology and equipment using our manufacturing process is LabP, which ensure good sealing performance during assemble and testing process.
Our Asia for Asia strategy is rooted here. We don't just manufacture, we adapt. Our local engineers customize global designs to meet specific regional legal and technical requirements.
We can provide tailor-made products according to customer needs. The engineering team works seamlessly with other function departments, including marketing, sales, operation, and supply chain, to ensure project success.
This compliance, we can ensure our product quality, safety, and compatibility across different market and application. Through this customization, we directly contribute to our customer product success by addressing our customer key technical solution.
QingPu also features a customer experience and training center, open for visits both physically and virtually, allowing customers to experience our capabilities firsthand. With decades of expertise and a commitment to excellence, QingPu powers progress across the region. Built in Asia, engineered for the world.